Welcome to the informative Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. First, we should open the Play Store application, and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap here to open the app, tap to yes, agree, pick close, here click to OK, and now we can see here the information about our battery health. In my case, that's good. Also, we can see here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, device voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.